kids, welcome to another one of these Cool Tool Tuesday videos. I'm Phil Shinbine, and this week we're going to be talking about Milescraft's Safety Bundle. This kit comes with a push block, a push stick, and a FeatherBoard. It is basically everything you need to know to get you started in the world of safety at your machinery, really. First cab off the rank, so to speak, is the push stick. This one has a couple nifty little features. You'll see the handle is canted there a little bit, so you don't necessarily have to get in exactly, the right spot. You can get in exactly where you need to be. And it has this little hook on the back, which is surprisingly useful as well. This little hook in the back is pretty much what makes a push stick work. They all have some sort of little hook in them. This one is great in that it can hook the back end of the piece, and when you push on it, you actually get a bit of pressure on the front of it as well. It helps keep it down as it goes through. Very handy, very useful piece of kit. Next thing to come through is the grabber. It's a push block. These are fantastic. I gotta stop saying everything's fantastic. I need a thesaurus. These are brilliant for any situation where you're not doing a through cut, right? So your dados and rebates and stuff, you can keep pressure down so you get the depth of your dado or rabbet the same across the length of the dado. If you have two of them, this kit comes with one, but if you have two, they're brilliant on your jointer as well. And last but certainly not least, the FeatherBoard. FeatherBoards have been around for quite a while. They keep your workpiece in tight to the fence at the table saw, or I suppose at the router table as well. Anytime you're using a fence, the bandsaw as well even. They keep the piece that you're cutting tight into the fence, which keeps it from twisting, which will keep it from kicking back, and the fingers themselves will actually help keep the thing from moving back vertically as well. This particular design has this nifty little shape to it so that you can slide it in and out quite easily. The FeatherBoard comes with two mitre slots. They expand on their own in their own little nifty way. As you can see, they are cantilevered. They're angled on the inside of this bit. And they come with countersunk bolts that as this goes tighter, it widens this. And they will fit any slot 16 or 19 mil. Or they also come with some T-track bolts if you want to put it in a T-track. Very useful. This FeatherBoard can be used vertically and horizontally wherever you have a T-track or mitre slot for it to hook into. So there you have it. That's Milescraft's Safety Bundle. This is a fantastic little kit to just kind of get you going. For more information on this and everything you need to know to get woodworking, check out the links down below in the doobly-doo, or look us up on the interwebs there at timbukon.com.au. If this is your first time here, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. I'm Phil Shinbine, and I will see you when I see you.